Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to AM English class and craft world. Today I would like to talk to you about these compound nouns in English or vocabulary. So let's get started. Door plus bill, doorbell. Book plus worm, bookworm. Dish plus washer, dishwasher. Eye plus lead, eyelid. Honey plus moon, honeymoon. Finger plus nail, fingernail. Horse plus fly, horsefly. Car plus pet, carpet. Brain plus wash, brainwash. Hand plus bag, handbag. Sun plus light, sunlight. Notebook, note plus book, notebook. Newspaper plus paper, newspaper. Pass plus port, passport. Maid plus servant, maid servant. Cricket plus match, cricket match. Eye plus sight, eyesight. Cow plus boy, cowboy. Tooth plus brush, toothbrush. Pen plus cake, pancake. Sun plus flower, sunflower. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone.